Hey friends, if you're looking for quick tips to help you jumpstart your week, you are in the right place. I'm Laurie Palau, host of the popular weekly podcast Organized Life, founder of Simply Be Organized, and every Monday I am here to bring you a quick organizing tip in under 15 minutes. All you have to do is click the subscribe or follow button wherever you're listening, and let's get started. Hi everybody, and welcome to today's tip of the week. I am your host, Laurie Palau, and it is Memorial Day. If you're listening to this in real time, and I hope wherever you are sitting on a beach or at a lake or relaxing somewhere with your friends, your family, your loved ones, doing something that you enjoy. Obviously, this is pre-recorded because hopefully, fingers crossed, I am sitting on a beach on vacation right now. I will be on vacation. Hopefully, the weather will be nice and we'll be at the beach. Um, so I want to do something fun for today's episode because it is Memorial Day, represents the kickoff of summer officially. And I love to entertain. I love having people over my house, whether it's a small gathering of just a few friends or a large block party. And a lot of the times, the things that stop people from entertaining is just things being feeling like it's complicated. And so, one of the things that I did just kind of through happenstance, and now it's become a thing, is creating a signature drink whenever I am going to be hosting something. So I love having a signature drink. And this is a fun way to like get people excited about whatever your party is. And it could be a theme drink or not, alcoholic, non-alcoholic. But I am going to share with you my signature drink for this summer. And it's something that I've been testing out with my girlfriends, and everyone who's had it loves it. So I'm going to drop the recipe in the show notes, but I'm going to tell you what it is. It is a watermelon cucumber margarita. Super simple. And again, you can make this non-alcoholic if you want, or if you want to have some fun, you can add tequila, which is what I like to do. So here is the recipe. Recipe is, if you take fresh watermelon, and if you take one of those like quarter wedges of a watermelon, you want to cut that in half and chop it up, put it in a blender. Then you want to take half a cucumber peeled, chop that up, put it in the blender. You want to take one lime, cut it, squeeze it. I prefer fresh lime versus the like little, plastic lime juice, but I use a fresh lime, squeeze that in, some ice to make it like a frozen froze type thing. And then depending on what your personal preference is, we use a cup of tequila. My personal preference, Casamigos Blanco. But you can use whatever. And if you don't want it to be super strong, you can always cut that back and add more in. And if you decide that you want to make this like a virgin froze, you can do the ingredients and don't put in any alcohol. So that's it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with ice ingredients. That's it. Again, watermelon, cucumber, fresh lime juice, ice, tequila. Blend it up and serve it. That's it. Serve it up. And if it starts to settle, all you have to do is just, repulse it in the blender for a couple of seconds, and it's good as new. It is healthy. It is summery. It is lightweight, and it's super easy to make. And you can batch it up, and it's again my favorite signature drink of the summer. So there you go. You're welcome. And whether you like this drink or another one, my tip to you this week is pick a signature drink that you can have. It makes entertaining, super fun. And even if you're not entertaining group of people, it's just fun for the summer. So let me know what your signature drink is. And if you decide that you're going to make mine, tag us. I would love to see you with your watermelon cucumber margarita. So until next week, I'm Laurie Palau. Don't forget, join our Ask an Expert series. We'd love to chat with you. Until next week,